In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a board as a template in Monday.com. This is really useful if you find yourself creating the same kind of board over and over again for similar projects, clients, or workflows. Once you turn a board into a template, you can spin up a new copy in just a few clicks, with all your columns, groups, and structure ready to go. First, start by opening the board you want to turn into a template. Make sure this board is already set up the way you like. For example, check that your groups are organized, your column types are correct, and any standard automations or views are in place. The goal is to capture a best version of this process so that every time you use the template, you're starting from a solid, consistent foundation. With the board open, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options or Ellipsis menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is where Monday.com hides many of the board-level actions and settings that aren't immediately visible on the main toolbar. After clicking the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, look for the option labeled More Actions. This section is designed for additional tools and less frequently used actions, including template-related options. Click More Actions to expand that list. Inside the More Actions list, you should see an option called Save as a Template. Select this option. At this point, Monday.com is basically asking you to confirm that you'd like to capture the current structure of this board so it can be reused later. It's a good idea to double-check that everything looks right before you commit, since any changes you make later will require updating or recreating the template. Once you've chosen Save as a Template, you'll be prompted to finalize it by clicking Create Template. This is the action that actually saves your board as a reusable template in your account. Depending on your plan and permissions, you may be able to name the template, add a description, or decide who else in your workspace can use it. After you click Create Template, your board is officially saved as a template. From now on, whenever you create a new board, you can look for this template and use it to quickly generate a new board that follows the same structure, helping you maintain consistency and save time across all your projects.